So let me start this video by asking you a very fundamental and a basic question. What is your role as a parent? Have you ever thought about this whole question on what is exactly my role as a father or a mother? If I ask you, what do you really want for your children? What would you say? Would you want to keep giving them instructions all the time, or some point of time you want them to take responsibility of their life? Like they should be responsible for their health, they should be responsible for their hygiene, they should be responsible for their studies, their career, rather than having you falling up every time. So this is the time to get up, and this is the time to take a bath, this is the things you need to eat, this is things which you don't eat. Which role would you really want? And I'm sure you would want them to take responsibility, right? And if you really look at areas where currently your child has already taken responsibilities, how is your experience in those areas? How is the experience of the child? How is the harmony at home when those events are happening? You must be enjoying it, and I'm sure your child would be proud of himself. Now look at it that in areas where there is contention, where your child is not able to follow up, or you have to keep following up, what are we actually doing? You are making sure that by the end of the day, the child eats well, or the child finishes his homework or studies, or maintains his hygiene, right? If you keep following up with them, take a minute and think, who has taken the responsibility? You or them? Yup, it's you who have taken responsibility. And when you have taken responsibility, what they've done conveniently is given it up. They have let you run it. So they know that you will take care of their health, you will take care of their hygiene, you will take care of their eating habits, you will take care of their studies. You will make sure that they do not go to sleep before they finish their work. If you've taken that up, then they've given it up, and you will keep following it up. So my question to you is, till when are you going to follow it up? Let me break a myth of yours. We always think that they're young right now, they could be 5, 8, 10 right now. By the time they become a teenager or they become adults, they will start taking responsibility. My request is, look around in your society, look around in your circles. Don't you see children at the age of 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 haven't taken responsibility of their life? So responsibility does not come with age. It comes when you give it up and they start taking it up. So if I define your role as a parent in one line, is you making your child responsible for their life. Imagine, they are responsible for their health, they are responsible for their hygiene, they are responsible for their studies. You don't have to follow up. How would be the environment at home? Do they need support? Sure. You're there as an enabler, you're there to support them, but not somebody who takes on their responsibility. So all the best and happy parenting.